Good afternoon, children. Today we will start exercise 10.5 introduction. Now here, before starting to the exercise 10.5, we need to know some introduction about it, okay? So, what is rounding off? In this exercise, we will learn about the rounding off. So, here we will learn about the definition of rounding off, and then afterwards we will start to do round off to the nearest whole number, then to the nearest tenth and nearest to the hundredth. Okay, so let's go to it. What is rounding off? So rounding off means a number is made simpler by keeping its value intact but closer to the next number. You know, whenever there is a number is given to you, so what you need to see that number is near to what, like before number or the after number. Suppose you are going to the auto, okay, with the, so auto fare will be 49 rupees. So how much you will pay to that auto rickshaw? If you want to do round off to that, so you are having two options, either you give 40 or you give to the 50, but we will see this 49 is nearest to the 50, so we can do the round off to the 50. Okay, so we can do the nearest to the whole number, and here there are different place values are given. So with the help of that place values we will do rounding off. Now first of all, there is some rules, okay? So one poem is given for this rounding. You have to learn so that it will be very easy to do that. Find your number. What is there? First of all, find your number. Look right next door. 4 or less, just ignore. 5 or more, add 1 more. Means first of all you have to see the number. Okay, then afterwards you have to see to the right next door. What is the meaning of right next door? Means after that number, to the right hand side, whichever number is there, that you have to see. Now whatever number is there on the right side, that if it is 4 there or less there, so just ignore it and keep it the same. But if it is 5 or more there, so you will add 1 more number. Now this poem I will explain you with the help of example. Okay, see here, rounding whole number. Now there is a number 474, means 474 to the closest hundredth. Now first of all, in this, which is what number is there on the hundredth place? So that is 4. Okay, hundredth place. So you have to see, we have to remember the poem. Find your number, which is your number 4. Look right next door. On the right side, which number is this? 7. 4 or less, just ignore. It is 4 or less there? No, it is 7 there. So 5 or more, then add 1 more number. It is more than 5 there, 7. So we will add 1 more. Means 474 will become what? So 474 rounded to the hundreds becomes 500. Okay. So now see, same example I am taking. Round off 474 to the closest tenths. Now tenths, okay. On the tenths, find your number. So 7 is our number. Okay. Now we have to see to the next right door. So right side, what is there? 4 is there. Now if it is 4 or less than 4, just ignore. So here 4 there. So just ignore, means it will become 470. Understood? Now, what about decimal numbers? The same rules will apply? Yes. If it is decimal there or simple there, you have to use the same poem. Okay. Now see here, round 4.167 to the closest hundredth. So find your number. 100. Here see, 4 is a whole number. Then 1 there. This is comes on the 10th place. 6 comes on a 100th place. So find your number. So 6 is our number. Now look to the right next door. On the right side, 7 is there. So it is less than 5 there or more than 5? It is more than 5. So we will add 1 more. So 6 will change into 7. So answer will be 4.17. Okay. Now remember, if you are asked to round to the nearest tenth, your answer stops at the 10th place. See here, round 42.73 to the closest tenth. Now here find your number on the 10th place. What? There's 7. Okay, on here the find your number. So here we have to do on the 10th. So 10th is on this 7 is a 10th number. Okay, now we will see the next number, right number. So it is less than 4, so it will remain same, just ignore. So answer will be 42.7. Now special case, rounding a 9. Suppose if it is 9 there, then what we will do? So see here, round 2.197 to the closest hundredth. Now it is what? This is a whole number, then 10th, then hundredth. So find your number. So since there is a 9 in the hundredth place, consider the 10th and 100th together. Now we will consider together this 19. Okay, now after 9, next number is what? 7. So it is more than 5. So that is why 19 will change into 20. Okay. Now see here, round 4.95 to the closest 10th. Find your number. So 9 is on our 10th place. Okay. Now what we will do? Here we will see that next number, it is equals to 5. It is equals to 5 there, because here also 5 there. So what we will there? We have to add 1. So this 95 is given. It will change to, this number will change. 4 will change into 5. Okay. So 4.95 rounded to the nearest 10th. It will become 5.0, or you can write 5. Thank you.